Hello, scholars. It's me, Professor Blindie, and we are back on my channel with another episode. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing the Blind Barbie. Well, I already did that. So, here's the box that it originally came in. When I took it out the UPS shipping box, it seemed like honestly, it don't seem like they took care of the box. When they were shipping it, they just kept throwing it and tossing it. So, yeah. But here's the box that it originally came in. So, like you probably heard, that the box has some braille on it. It's at the bottom left corner down here. It has some braille on it. I'm not proficient in reading braille, so I don't know what it says. But maybe somebody else does. Okay, but yes, this is the original box, and it opened up from the side. And so yeah, let me show y'all Barbie. So here's Barbie. Yes, look at her. Isn't she cute? Okay, let me make sure y'all can really see her though. Boom. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what I'm wearing. Okay, y'all, if you are new to me, you don't know who I am Professor Blindie, the owner of Blind Intelligence, which is an inspirational merchandise brand and community outreach. And so, yeah, I do different things like community events, I do public speaking, and also I sell inspirational merchandise like I mentioned earlier. So one of my shirts is this shirt that I'm wearing right now. It says unapologetically blind. A description of me is that I have on some shades right now. My hair is braided in tribal braids. They are really long. They're black and copper. And my shirt says unapologetically blind. Unapologetically is white, and blind is written in braille. It's tactile shirt. That word blind is written in braille too. Blind Intelligence on the arm sleeve. If you're interested in the shirt, go ahead and hit me up because you can get you one. Okay, boo? All right, now for real, let me show you Barbie. Here she goes. Okay. So, yes, we have Blind Barbie right here. And so, description that I received of what Barbie looks like is that she's like caramel colored skin tone. She has her white cane. She's wearing a pink top. She's wearing ruffled purple bottoms, like shorts. Her heels are purple as well, a little sparkly. Her hair is like a sandy brownish color, you know. And yeah, she looks really cute. Look at her. Look at her. I did read in the description that with her eyes, they noted that a lot of blind individuals look up and sometimes like out. So they have like a wide gaze, kind of like a little hazy looking. And so they wanted to interpret that, and you can definitely tell from my sighted people that it looks like that. So yeah, the arms bend at the elbow. So yeah, look at her. I kind of wish it would have bent at the wrist because you honestly use your cane at the wrist, not at the elbow. But that's cute, you know. Always room for improvement. And I just really appreciate, you know, the inclusion of a blind Barbie. I know that there has been a lot of criticism going around about having a blind Barbie and what does that mean and why would they have one and whatnot. But honestly, as a person who was not born blind and never knowing anything about the blind community until I lost my eyesight, I believe that representation matters. So had I been a young girl and went to the store and seen like, oh, a blind Barbie, like, what is blind? I've never heard of that, never knew what that was. It would have intrigued me to learn more about the community and different things like that, so I wouldn't have been so oblivious when, oh snap, hold on y'all. Uh-oh. Open Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes. Take the all right. So I wouldn't have been so oblivious to the community until I became blind. So I think it's just very, very inclusive and well needed just to show representation within our community and to the sighted community. So yeah, I think that is a good thing, honestly. And she got a little color to her. Look, she got a little color to her. I like that. So what I want to do now is use Be My Eyes, which is an app they have another app embedded into this app. It's a feature of it where you can take pictures and it'll try to describe to you as best as possible with AI. So I'm going to do that now to see what description they give me.
Tab bar, get support, take picture, button. Take picture, dim. Analyzing picture, please wait. The picture shows a Barbie doll being held in someone's hand. The Barbie is dressed in a light purple top and a layered purple skirt.
Okay, hold on.
Characters, words, speaking rate, 75%, 70%, 65%, 60%, 55%.
Oh snap! It took another picture.
Dim button. Analyzing take picture. Tab bar. Get support. Tab. Analyzing picture. Please in the background. The picture clear. Button. Clear. Button.
Okay.
Clear. Take picture. Button.
Let me turn the volume up outside of it. That way.
The apps with Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes. Act. Be My Eyes. Active. Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes. Active. 3:23 p.m. Cellular. Spectrum setup BF. 3 of 3. Messages. Be my eyes. Act. Be my eyes. Be my eyes. Take picture. Button.
Okay, now we're gonna take another picture using Be My Eyes.
Take picture. Dim. The picture shows a person holding a Barbie doll. The doll has dark skin, long brown hair, and is wearing a purple dress with a ruffled skirt. The doll is also holding a white cane, indicating that it is a representation of a visually impaired Barbie. The background of the doll's packaging has a pattern of the letter B in various colors. In the background, on a table, there...
Okay, they don't need to know all about what's on my table, but yeah, so it kind of gives, you know, a good description of what Barbie is looking like, and that kind of matches. The only thing that was different was that it said that she was wearing a dress, but that's probably because her shirt looks like it's tucked into her shorts or skirt or whatever this is. And so, yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy about Blind Barbie. I hope you go out and get you a Blind Barbie. Like I said, one of the things about it that was kind of cool is that it bends at the elbow. I've had Barbie dolls that bent at the elbow before, so that was pretty cool. But you know, this Barbie has her white cane. Now, I will tell you guys about the white cane is that it's held by like a elastic rubber band or something. So if you pop that rubber band, Barbie not gonna be holding a cane. So keep the elastic band. Be very aware of it. If you're getting it for your kids, you know, just maybe keep another small rubber band close by just in case, so Barbie can keep holding on to her cane, because we know that we can't walk nowhere without our cane. Well, some of us can't. I can't. So, yeah, so we got Blind Barbie, and she gonna be tap, tap, lap, tap, tap, tap. Ooh, yeah. So, thank you all so much for tuning into my video. Like I said, my name is Professor Blindie, and I own the business Blind Intelligence. I hope you guys come out to one of my events soon. Come hear me speak somewhere or purchase some merchandise. You can find all of that stuff in the description box. Our social media pages, and our most active social media page is our Facebook. You can find us at Blind Intelligence on there. On Twitter and Instagram is at @TheOfficialBI, and YouTube at Professor Blindie. So yes, come stay tuned, chat with us, and yeah, thank you all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles.